Hi Revivers, I'm Dr. Lin of Rehab Revive Physical Therapy. As we head into the fall and winter, many of us are going to feel symptoms of tiredness, fatigue, even just being crabby in the morning, or just this not being able to wake up and just being grouchy to your friends and family. So a lot of times this is the symptoms of seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, or some people just say seasonal depression. That's a totally normal thing. Luckily, we were sent by SAKOBS, their LED therapy box, that will help with these symptoms. So I want to talk about that next. So let's talk about seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, for some of you may know it. What happens is, as the seasons change and the light bends differently, your eye receptors really respond, and they create this melatonin, which helps your sleep-wake cycle and even managing stress itself. So it's really important to kind of keep that consistency, because we are creatures of habit, of course. We want to be able to create that consistency and help the light setting and adjust to these things. And the cool thing is, when you have a light therapy box like this, you can make changes to it that really fit your needs and help you stay constant and consistent with our energy levels. So many of you don't know, I actually suffered from SAD myself while I was in school in Boston, and my grades were tanking and everything was a little bit rough because I came from sunny Southern California, went all the way to school in Boston, and the sun didn't even come up till about 11 a.m. on most days. So it's tough to just get up, go to school, be attentive. It wasn't until I got my own happy light box myself that I started seeing the benefits. Now, I don't really need it here in California as much, but I still see some benefits, and I've been using this particular product for the past month, experimenting with the different settings, and I still just feel a lot better having it around and using it at my desk when I start doing my patient chart reviews. I think it's great just to have that around, and especially those kids right now heading with this COVID and working at home and studying at home. This is really important to keep them attentive and keeping yourself attentive for your daily work duties. So let's talk about the features of the SAKOBS Light Therapy Light Box. What I really like about it is super simple features. That there's 3 simple buttons, it's lightweight, I can stick it most anywhere, and it's pretty clean look. It looks like a picture frame, and it could pretty much be put anywhere on your desk. The back stand is rotational 360 degrees, which is kind of pretty neat, that we can kind of find a way to fit it on our desk and make it look neat. It also has 3 brightness settings. If you just hit the button, it's a little touch button, and it changes colors, and if you hold it down, it can also change different brightness. It's also got a timer to kind of go on. Sometimes you need 15 minutes, sometimes you need 30 minutes. I find that 15 to 20 minutes is very sufficient in getting me stimulated and ready for my workday. So all in all, I find that the SAKOBS Therapy Light Box is super beneficial, and I'm going to continue to use it because me being better and happier with my patients, especially in the morning, is going to help everyone. So I will send down the links below. It's just $20, so I think it's worth making that small investment to kind of improve your mood and improve your daily function. I'm looking forward to making more merchandise videos for those who have sent us stuff that I use and I've been using. I want to talk about it, I want to rave about it. So if you like what we're doing, please subscribe below, make our channel a little bit more popular, share with others these videos and anyone who may be suffering from especially this SAD or seasonal affective disorder. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.